Yeah, I'm about to step in the ring for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who've been stuck in the mud. Searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems, but God came and threw me the rope. Can't wait to look in his eyes. All of my life, I've been battling lies. I found the truth and took off my disguise. Come from my head, I still live for the prize. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was in the city going down, trying to blow. Everything changed when I learned to let it go. Hopping on stage, I ain't in it for the show. Only got one life, so I gotta let them know. Talk about real. I seen a man's whole bad hill. I seen a woman drooling out the mouth. I seen the demons in the cast it out. I seen my brother throw his whole vape in the lake. Seen smooth heal from the dark. I seen the spirit change my own heart. Can't tell it all, but this a good start.
K to the second letter. Who got the keys to the Jeep and the Hiller? They ain't never been realer. I am not shook, I'm aligned in chiller. My face blue still, I ain't never been stiller. Ooh, KB ain't gotta get bigger. Ooh, Southside sing killers, bring light to the dark spots. Wake up, I didn't make up this God, the divine concealer. On the bread of heavens like the red and black 11s. Walking through the pearly gates. Poppy do the most, I'm in the Holy Ghost. I'm looking like the Pope swerving raves. They gon' get the word today. I send a text back, never curved the fate. Jesus, curses break. Slaves get freed and the words awake. Ever seen a
Yo. What up, chat? What up? Welcome in. Let's get it.
We the new Israel. God really lives here. Watch the sin here. Way more to tell when we get here.
Good morning. Verse 3. Yeah, welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Happy Tuesday.
I put my hand on the Bible, the Lord is my witness that KB is closer than blood. I got that HGA tatted right next to my heart, so you know it's gonna always be love. Don't need no contracts or labels, you know we got him a seat at my table. Hovey little bro, so I'm willing and able. I keep some riders at home in the stable. Whoa, I done told it all, but I still got
all right.
Remember when the folks got killed next door? Partner told me sell pills, not blow. Shorty told me my career won't blow. Swear I don't care about the status. Why would I clout chase when God is my daddy?
All right, cool. Welcome in.
I'm still gonna die richer than you can imagine. Jesus the King, I'm his
I hope you guys are well.
They see an interview, swear I ain't with it. I say come see
Get
what
it,
I
let's
do
get
in
it.
my city. From cooling with Kendrick to walking through Romans with people in prison. Let me stop talking, cause man,
And
I've
I
been
done
did
did
it.
it.
Can't let my left hand on my right.
Yeah. Hope you guys are well. Let's get it started. How you guys doing? We haven't heard that one in a little bit. Welcome in. Louis G, PM Magnifico in the house. Mr. Lopez, what up, Zyper? Z Gamer in the building. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Louis G? Good morning, Jessica. Only Bands in the house. What up, Only Bands? Talking bands, man. Energy is in the building. What up, Micah? What up, Cobra? What's good? What's up, Bryce? What up, Mac? Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Stevie Mac in the house. What's up, brother? What's up, Preston? Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Happy Tuesday, right? Today is Tuesday, correct? Yes, Tuesday. Hope you guys are well. Hope you're well. What up, Rob Traits? Yo. Let's get some things organized and we shall begin. How are you guys doing? What's the good word? Who caught any trades yesterday after the stream? I didn't take anything. Nothing fit the plan yesterday. All right, cool. I think we are good. Zoom. Oh, Zoom. No music. Hey, y'all want music today or no? Here's the real test. I'm hook y'all up anyway. All right. We got it. All right, cool. Well, welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Happy Tuesday. Welcome to another New York live stream. If you guys can, as you kind of kick back and chill out here, give the stream a like for me. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. I am going to pray for you all, and then we're going to begin. Cool? Let's do it. Father in heaven, Lord, I thank you for the people in attendance here today, Lord. I pray that you bless them. I pray that you show them a vision that is for their future, Lord. I pray that they would go deep and seek out the promises and the words that you have spoken over them, Lord. We know that the secrets are in there. We thank you, Jesus, for giving us those secrets, but not a lot of us are going and seeking it, Lord. So I pray that your people here today would become seekers of truth and not just listen because he said or she said, but go dive in for their own experience, Lord. We thank you for that. We give you the glory for your presence here, and we thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen, amen. Let's get started. Let's begin to talk about today, because today is Tuesday. It is the 28th here of January, so last couple days of January. How was your month? How was everyone's month? First month back. Let me ask you guys, did you break the plan yet? Or are you sticking to your guns for what you declared you would do in the new year? What'd you guys do? What'd you guys do? Clubhouse, I know what you guys are doing. Damn. Sticking to the plan? Let's go. All right, good. So let's keep it moving. Let's keep sticking to the plan, right? Month in, month out here. It's not that hard to do. You know, this is what you do now. So you're a trader that sticks to a plan, and eventually the profitability will come. So again, let's talk about here today. There's really not much going on in terms of like crazy news for NY Open or anything. What time is it? 55 here. So you do have some orange folders coming in for the US dollar, right? Some red folders here at 10, but nothing too crazy during like the New York session. You know, these are core durable goods and stuff. Nothing too crazy. They'll bring some volume, but not anything to kind of like stay out or away from. But tomorrow we do have the big day here. So tomorrow is going to be the first meeting with the Fed here, FOMC. You're going to have Jerome Powell speaking here at 2 p.m. tomorrow. So that should be pretty interesting. Yeah, you also have the monetary policy reports, all that stuff for the CAD. So tomorrow should be the big day. We should get some volume, you know, in the morning, but then also in the afternoon as well. You'll have a lot of volume come in at 2 p.m. Eastern. So I think that's pretty much. I mean, outside of unemployment claims, yeah, that's pretty much the big stuff here. Really, FOMC is what we're kind of waiting on. So we'll have to see what they're gonna do in terms of all that. So let's go ahead and break down some technicals here and see what we can spot out for the day. So this is gold. This is the daily time frame here, and we have been pushing up, haven't we? Right, we've just been moving on up here. I would kind of track back and talk the whole story, but we don't got much time for that here. We see here now that we've kind of moved up, right, in this basically this uptrend. And what we have done is we've come into this range now, right, where you kind of have that pretty strong resistance right there. And that's exactly where price is kind of closed at. Now, you also have these ranges here in which we're beginning to close below. But here's the tricky part with gold right now, right, because we're trying to get below these levels, right? Because when we're below these levels, we know we're all good. Like price should really begin to rip down from there. The only issue is yesterday we closed right at it. Right, so that's what makes this candle a little tough. We could just chop around in this little range real quick till maybe tomorrow we get the sell off. So that's where we're kind of at on gold, right? So I think the 4 hour is going to be used here to kind of guide us for the session a little bit better than the daily. So looking at the 4 hour now, right, we've come down. Price has been pushing down. So this was like yesterday, right? So we had this big push down, nice little pullback. Nice push down, and now the 4 hour is like struggling to get down, struggling to get up, but then we closed pretty strong bullish on that last 4 hour candle there. So that looking pretty good. I do believe if this candle here can break the previous candle's high, then we could probably see a push up and probably even give this candle a top wick, and then maybe even, you know, come up into these ranges here at like 2761 ish, right, somewhere up there. So that's kind of my vision here for the 4 hour candle. Let's see, we're basically right back where we were yesterday in New York session. So let's take a look at the 1 hour here, see if we have any evidence of some moves up. So we do have like a lot of rejection, right, a lot of rejection here, and here. So we really need a closure above. So if you can get that candle to close above, that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and take a look what these wicks are. Yeah, this is nasty. So it makes it pretty clean for us though. So I would say buys are pretty clean above 27.49. You have a pretty nice range here. That's what, like 60? Yeah, like 60, 55, 60 pips coming up. And that's a range and a zone that I would look to be trading in today. So possible buys above 27.49. You had a little fake out here, so I think the support looks good below 46, and that's it. You know, we've approached the market today where it's ranging currently, and we're gonna have to really just wait for a breakout, right? If we're looking for initially a position, the 4-hour candle is bullish here, right? So I am pretty bullish based off of that idea. If you get a closure above all that consolidation, you should be good to move up, especially after kind of doing this little fake out here, right? So we'll see. We got volume coming in 6 seconds, but we'll see how we do. Yeah, so we closed right at it with no top wick, so just gonna have to wait maybe a few more minutes and we'll go from there. Yeah, range game, barcode, little barcode action here. But either way, this range looks pretty solid. So if we can get some closures, that would be very nice. And then, you know, to the downside, we're very clean here as well. So I'm going to make these yellow. I think I like these yellow better. Let's do this. Let's get rid of that. Boom. I think I like yellow better. Bam. All right, cool. And that is that's the day. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll see where we go from here. Yesterday was a no trade day for me. No trade day for me yesterday. Today I got 1 win, 1 loss. Still green on the day, which is nice. Small loss in pre-New York. Nice win in London, though. See if we can close this month out strong here, man. Strong, strong, strong. Let's see if we could do it. Let's see if we could do it. First or second, really, I guess, no trade day of the year yesterday. Futures and Forex charts almost at the same price. Oh, nice. Well, my question is, how did the OANDA chart bullish candle close? Did it close above the range with a wick, or does it look like mine here? What's it looking like? OANDA closed above? Of course it did. Of course it did. Yo, TK, what's Gochi? How we feeling, man? How we feeling? If OANDA closed above, I would probably be looking for buys here. Yeah. But my chart did not close above. It also closed without a wick, so therefore I have to hold my fire. Above but no wick? Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, Bobby. How are you, brother? Thank you, bro. Thank you. Appreciate that. Appreciate all you guys praying for me and my family. Really, really do. It means more than you know it. It means more than any like you ever left on the stream. I'll tell you that. What up, Sebastian? What's good? What's good? Rafi's back for all sessions. Okay. Where is Zoom? Hold on. Let me pull up Zoom. Where y'all at? Where y'all at? What up, Mr. Kraft? What's good, Andy? Rafi in the house. Rafi. He's on the move.
Yo, good morning.
Holy. Back in every session I attend, he's in.
I know.
Sheesh.
We're back.
That's
Green.
He's back in the USA.
Feels good, man. It's good to be here.
Let's see if I can mess around with Zoom. Yeah, so you said you woke up at 1:15, eh?
Yeah.
Wow, that's earlier than me.
Yeah, it's like 2:15 for you, though.
Oh, that's right. Okay, I got it.
Yeah, I'm behind.
Yeah, that's right. 1 hour, right? 1 hour behind?
Yeah.
That's light. What's up, Green? Green. The green machine. Appreciate that leg workout recommendation, G. I seen Green's Instagram. I looked at that thing. Gave me a leg workout for free.
Oh shoot.
I said, thank you.
Check
Come
that out.
again.
Check that out.
What's up, Wags? TK. Oh my God. I see nothing but mods. Nothing but wrenches in the chat. They're taking over the whole chat. Damn. Chat, you gonna let the mods take over like that? That's crazy. Like 5 mods? Run the whole joint. Sheesh. Jamil, I see you, bro. I see you. Oh man. I see you in there, bro. Only bands, I see you in there. Do we trade London? Yeah, I'm in London. Yep, I was in London tonight. Took a beautiful sell right. Where was that? That was oh my God, where was that? That was at yeah, right here. One of these moves right here. Yeah, it was actually this candle here. Drove down. Tap target. I actually did get another. So I passed another 50K combine during London. Yeah. Another one in 2 trades. I ain't done yet. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go, Mr. Washington. You're welcome, my friend. Let me get Rafi, let me get Zoom up here. One sec. Alright, that should be good. Boom. Alright. Let me know when Johnny Gems comes or
Yeah, he was.
I can't see anyone anymore.
No, I'll let you know when he's in.
Rafi, no more gold in the background.
Nah, bro.
Let's get it. Stays in Bali. It all stays in Bali. Everything stays in Bali.
Not coming with me.
Nothing.
No. Yeah, I'm excited to get into my new place and have a nice setup.
Yeah, I'm excited for you, man. It's all good. Once you're settled in, it's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately, this guy closes with no wick here, so nothing. I really want this range, but I gotta wait for you know, the right opportunity. Do we live YouTube for London? No, we do it in the clubhouse. So we do it inside the clubhouse on Zoom, Sunday through Thursday, so 5 days a week. Yeah, London was beauty today, man. Straight beauty. London's always got the good vibrations going. The price action in London is just nice. How do I manage the accounts? I just pick and choose. Just pick and choose which ones I want to trade. Straight beauty? Yeah, right here. I think it was right here. This sell. Nice move down. Basically tap target and then pulled right back up. Where is it? Yeah, this is it right here. So, you know, just a nice little breakout. It was a nice little play on the 1 hour too. 30-minute looked good. You grabbed the pack here. You kind of rejected the top side a bunch. This candle came up, broke the highs, ends up closing bearish. Next thing you know, you got London Open, or I think it was like 15 minutes after London Open. You break these lows, and yeah, you just settle on down. Yep, nice move. Basically closed. We had a very good closure too. Closed. I mean, my account got hit for like passing the combine there, so I closed right there. But we basically rejected. I think it was like right here we started rejecting. So it was a money closure. Money closure. What's up, Rob? How are you, man? Any trades taken? Yeah, that trade. The Prather traders in the house. What's up, bro? How you doing? All my trades? No. So most of my trades are taken off the 15-minute, 30-minute time frame. So typically I'm going to go look at the daily and the 4-hour to try and gather some ideas on direction. Like right now I'm very bullish here, but going down to like the 30-minute time frame, there's a bunch of consolidation. The way I trade is I don't like to take like buy positions off of candles with no wick at the top, because I found out that no wick at the top typically means like the next candle is less likely to push up and drive. So sometimes what's going to happen is like this candle will enter buyers in and then do something like this, right? It's kind of like come back in the range, maybe close like this, and then the next candle will typically be the one to close back above, right, after all that liquidity is grabbed, and then that's where I'm tend to get in. So as long as the candle has a wick and it's above the range, I like buys here. 4 hours very bullish, but gotta wait for that opportunity. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, but higher time frame, 4-hour daily, and lower time frame entries. 15-minute, usually 15-30-minute is my entries. Yeah, what up, Sam? Good morning. Morning. The thumbnails look good. Ah, thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, I got some more videos coming, so I'm gonna start dropping a lot more videos there on YouTube that I feel like could be helpful. I'll do a bunch of trade reviews, and I'll also do some other stuff. Do I still plan on dropping the course? Yeah, the course is pretty much, I would say 90% done. It's gonna be uploaded in the clubhouse. We're moving over to WAP or whatever. So once that's all set up, the course will be in there, and it's straight money. It's gonna be like 25-30 videos. They're like 6-minute long, straight to the point. In this video, you're gonna learn about an inverted celery, and then you learn about an inverted celery, and then it's just on to the next video. Yeah, very quick, 5-6 minute, and easy to digest if you're anything like me. Yeah, it should be uploaded in the clubhouse pretty soon. We gotta wait for a couple more things on WAP, and then it'll be up there. Trade the same way? Nice. Yeah, I mean, every single day, like, if the 4 hour is bullish, like, I'm looking to potentially, and there's still room for price to move up and hit a target, I'm basically just bullish on that day. So on that day, I'm just looking for, like, opportunities to, like, buy off supports, right? Like, let's say supports formed, that's it. Just patiently waiting and then taking buys, right, to try and be a part of this move here. And that's it. That's my strategy. Simple. Super simple. Yeah, you're either going to run into like a trend, or you're going to run into like this range. So that's what's going on today, is you're in a range. So some days when you come to the desk, the 4 hour is going to be getting ready to go, and you're just going to find that nice support, right, and be able to take your buy position right off that support right there. But some days it's going to be ranging, right? And at that point, now you got to wait. So you got to wait for candles to close above the range. And then when they do, typically that's when you're going to see the push. But it is NY open here, so you may see a nice push up. Yeah, yesterday was my first no trade day, or second no trade day of the year. So there was really nothing, man. Price just kept driving. Just kept driving. Like yesterday, the 4 hour and the daily were both bullish, right? So I'm expecting, okay, maybe we'll create support here, right? But nothing. And then it's like, all right, maybe we'll create it here then. Nothing, right? And then now your 4 hour candle closes and you're right at support. You can't take a buy off this candle because that candle's extremely weak. This is your new 4 hour and it just runs down with no top wick, nothing. So yeah, yesterday was just no way to squeeze myself in the market there. Nothing. Trade the same way. Nice. So we got 8:15 here. So we got comics open coming in. So let's see how the 15 closed. Yeah, if you can make like a steep wick towards the downside and then start moving up for comics, I might have a buy stop here. If not, we wait for like 8:30. Maybe you get something like this. Price come down. And then start to just move back up, right? And kind of have that inverted celery or that celery play. Break of the highs, take the entry, fill the range. I don't know, man. Trump's back. I've been seeing quite a few celery plays. I haven't seen celery plays in about 4 years. Yeah, all of a sudden the 8:30 celeries are back. The 9:30 celeries are back. It's lovely. It's gorgeous. The fade valid on 30? Yeah. Yeah, as long as the price action is there, then yep. Can you speak on getting better as a trader from just consistently showing up? Yeah, I mean, chart time is everything. So the thing is, if you don't learn anything from your chart time, it's a waste of time. So you have to really come in the game to learn. You can't come in and half-ass it and look at your phone and play your video games and, do all this stuff while you're waiting for closures. That seems great and all, but, if you really want to get repetition and see things, you got to be paying attention, right? So come in and focus, make your mistakes. There's nothing wrong with making your mistakes. You just got to start learning from them. So once you learn from those mistakes, don't make them again. I mean, there's no other way around it. There's no other way to put it. Like, make a mistake, learn from it, and then don't do that again. If you do it again, it's going to hurt you again. So if you just understand that concept there and just be mature about it, you won't make those mistakes. So it's just a never-ending level up, of being in the markets, getting to understand them, getting to understand yourself. There's a lot to it. So just because you're not profitable in year one doesn't mean you're never going to understand this. It just takes time. It takes time. First, you got to learn the markets. Then the markets are going to teach you a lot about yourself. And there's a process to it. So you got to be in it for the long haul. Yeah, I like the buys here, man. I do. These look good. This candle here with no wick keeping me out. Bangladesh. What up? Oh, NASDAQ? Yeah, let's take a look. All right, let's see. So we got a daily, let's see here. So we got a strong bearish daily close here. So crazy candle right here on NASDAQ yesterday. Your 4 hours, though, kind of trying to move bullish here, right? So we did close above the range there on the 4 hour. Now we don't know. Will this be a fake out, right? To basically have that daily top wick in place for price to continue ripping down. This 4 hour candle still has like half the time on it. So it really depends. If you keep pushing, breaking those lows, you may see an opportunity to go short here later on in the day here on NASDAQ. So But all in all, right now, the candle is bullish. Looks like we grabbed the pack there, broke those lows. You're kind of coming up now, rejecting out of this area here. So yeah, possible 1 hour support forming. All right, let's take a look at that 30-minute. 30 looked pretty clean as well. So you got support forming here. This doesn't look too bad actually on the NASDAQ. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. Some of you guys may be in buys. Broke the lows there. What do you guys think? A lot of you guys probably trade NASDAQ more than me. So we coming up to correct this move or what? What do you guys think? What do you think? Why is your gold different than my gold? Probably because I'm using the futures chart and you're using like OANDA or FXCM or one of those. Not today. Not today. Maybe another day for NASDAQ. How come we're moving over to WAP? It's just much cleaner. Super clean. Super organized. Just much more professional. Yeah. The Discord is nice. You'll still have access like to the Discord in WAP and all that. But yeah, we're just going to... That way you guys can find specific like webinars and all that super quickly. It's a nice layout that they have. Yeah, big day tomorrow here. Big day tomorrow. Yeah, I did like Rafi, you got cold weather over there or not really?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
you do?
It's pretty. Yeah, it's pretty cold, but nothing like North Dakota or anything like that. You know. It's
Not the right cold. Not the 2 week cold
yeah, I mean,
like Florida gets.
The negatives. Yeah, I'll tell you what it is right now. It's yesterday I went for a walk, a 5-mile walk, and it was like 40.
Hmm.
Right now feels like, let me see what kind of, let me see what this is. Because we're back in New York session, I'm gonna go back to Fahrenheit. We have a rule in the clubhouse. If you're talking about weather, doing London, you use Celsius. Yeah, so it feels like 15 right now.
Damn.
Celsius.
This guy said 15. Wait, 15 Celsius.
Fahrenheit.
Oh my
no,
God.
15 Fahrenheit.
Holy. It's 55 here right now.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
It's chilly.
Chilly. You ain't lying.
Yeah. You gotta have your hoodies and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah. Oh man. Inverted celery? Yeah, let's talk about it. Let me see if I can pull up just an example here of the inverted celery. Let's see here. Inverted celery. Hey, Sebastian, if I went to the playbook and I went here, does this pull up? How do I get all the trades? Can I? Oh. Okay. That's actually sick. All right, where's the trade here? Let me go to like a one that I actually have a picture of. Hold on one sec. $16, yeah. Press. All right, so this one is not the best example, just because it doesn't have exactly what I'm looking for. But pretty much on this one, you had price come up, make like a small top wick, right, and then it starts coming down. It re-breaks its own low. So you can't tell it from this picture, but to the left-hand side here, there was a lot of support, right? We were coming into like a major area of support on the 4-hour chart. So as this candle pops up right away, it makes a high, right? It comes down, it breaks its own low, attempts to fill the wick, starts pulling back, and then once the candle breaks the high here, that's where the entry is placed. And then, you know, the buy stops. I think I closed partials right here on that. So once you come up to like these highs here, that's where you want to close partials or manage your trade, and you know, whatever. But yeah, so that would be one. This one here also, so you see that, so I didn't take that trade, but that's also a bit of an inverted celery, where you would take your buy right here, all right there, and then you would expect price to kind of move up into these ranges. Yeah, this is kind of like one too, like break of the high. So I like the wick a little steeper, kind of like this one is. Right? So, and typically that's going to happen best when you're in like a nice trending market. So let's say you're in a nice trending market and price is kind of like moving down from here, right? So you look boom, boom, and you're looking for buys, right? So what are you looking for? If you're looking for buys, you're looking for a bullish closure, right? A strong bullish candle. But a lot of times what's going to happen is this is what you're going to get. So normally where I would say, okay, well, you know what? I got to wait here for a bullish candle. During high volume times, that's not happening, right? So you're going to, if you're going to wait for this bullish candle at 9:30, good luck. You'll be waiting for till the next day, right? Because in most cases, 9:30, if it breaks the high, it's gone, right? So that's where we want to enter the trade, take advantage of the volume, and then be able to enter, you know, off of that, the direction more so based off of like a specific candle closure. We still are entering off of a specific candle closure in a way, and it's that red one, right? So as long as that it's got a steep wick, small top wick, keyword small top wick, right, and a small body, not a large top wick, right? That is not what I mean. So a lot of people mistaken this candle for this candle. Two totally different candles right there. This one is totally different than this one. So I would not attempt the inverted celery on this candle here. But that one, yes. So a simple play. You know, you're basically just looking to follow the trend, but at the same time, you know, taking advantage of the volume before you get like a confirmation candle. Looks like 30 closures coming up here. I think we have some. Yeah, you're going to have durable goods here, so we'll see. Yeah, maybe we can take advantage of some volume. What up, Willie? Edson, my man. Good to see you in the clubhouse, bro. Good to see you in there. My current chart is 30-minute. Yep. Yeah, my time frames are right up here, right above Rafi up here.
We got Johnny. Where's he at?
Johnny
Oh, he's
Gems.
here. He's here.
He's here.
Yeah. Like, where's Johnny James at?
Johnny Gems.
Yo, yo, what's good, boys?
How are you?
Everything good?
How you doing? What's up, man? Feeling good? How you guys
Excellent. Excellent, brother.
Amazing.
feeling? Nice. Another day blessed by God. What's up, chat? Good morning. Hope everyone's feeling good.
All right, I'm going to have a buy stop here on the break of these highs. So if we start breaking those highs, we'll probably get a nice push up towards this wick fill right there. Let me switch this.
Looks really nice.
Yeah. Super tight stop on this. If we come down and break the lows, I don't even want to be in it. Because this is like, in a way, like a news candle.
See the volume.
Can we get the 4 hour to push here? Can we get it to push?
4 hours got range, man. Looks clean.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, my stop's going to be kept right below the low here. So not risking too much at all.
I'm just letting my TP get hit, bro. Definitely don't want to close with this much volume.
Oh, a little slippage on the futures chart here. A little slippity slip.
That was like my trade this morning.
Oh, it got slipped.
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun. I take the trade. Yeah, I took it. $12 pips. 12 pippers. I'm probably gonna go BE here. Yeah, let it run. We should come up and fill that wick right up there. Yeah. So I'm break even. I think we're like 15 pips up. So let's see if we can get that extra push here and see if we can get it.
Slowly.
If you guys want, you can close partials. What are we at? Yeah, I'll probably just wait.
Did you close anything or not?
No, I didn't close anything. I just got one contract. Yeah, we got news. Yeah, the news came in here, so that's what we're trying to see if we can get the push off the news here. Dun, dun, dun. DJ Scratches. DJ Scratches. How are you, my man? How are you? Hey, how are you?
How you doing?
Hey, you get me.
How are
every
you?
time you say that.
Oh, man. Yeah, so we should pop this candle right there. Yeah, I'll probably get out right here. So I'm going to close my position right there at about 18 pips. And that'll be my trade here. Little 18. Little 18.
That'll be you.
Nice trade. Nice trade. So basically you had the 15-minute celery play. You had a tight stop, right? You kept the TP like right around these levels here, just to kind of come up and give that candle a top wick. The first, we would have liked to really be in from this point, right? But unfortunately, the market doesn't care where you want to get in, so you got to wait for your setup at that point. So did I sacrifice a couple pips there? Absolutely, right? But did I wait for my playbook? Absolutely did, right? If I would have taken an entry here and a loss, I would have been beating myself up over that, right? Because that's not what 8-figure traders do, right? So they stick to their plan. So had to wait, and the opportunity came up here, and that was enough to get us about 18 pips. Yep. Would have loved to take advantage of that full range, you know, from the breakdown, but this little guy right here. So next best entry right there, and that's it. That's it. Very clean zone. Yeah, it was clean zone. Really clean zone. Very, very clean. Yeah, I got about 18. Johnny Gem still holding? Yeah.
I just closed.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
Very nice, very nice.
Sorry, W.
Yeah, I'm still holding. You know, I hold things long.
Yeah.
Trade.
I'm a break even though.
So yeah, I
Right.
mean, this is
Yeah.
a good area to go BE and then maybe hold for what is this? 27.56 around there. Not bad.
Yeah, we're coming into target now, so. Yeah, good trade, W.
Close without a bottom wick. Yeah, this one threw like the smallest bottom wick. But you know, you close above, you got a 15 celery, you got volume, you got some news coming in, it's gonna get rolling, you know what I mean? So in these situations you're a little bit more aggressive. You know, I also only had one contract on there, and that's what I mean about if you study me properly, you'll notice when I put size on and when I take it off. I might not always say it right up in front, but if you notice how I do these things, you'll see where I do tend to take it off and then put it on. So this was a trade here based off of the conditions, based off of what was taking place, based off the entry and all that, where I decided to lower my size a little bit. You know what I mean? So didn't really necessarily need this bottom wick here, especially with the news coming out, right? So keep a tight stop loss and just enter on the break of the high. Yeah, you got that range, so on to the next trade.
On to the next. Good trade. W. Rinse and repeat.
Let's mark it up. Let's mark it up. What's today? 28.
Yep.
$28. So yeah, so let's mark this trade up real quick. Boom. Has anyone recently watched the webinar in the clubhouse about journaling your trades and have begun to really take that serious and start tracking your trades? Anybody? Let's see. Boom.
Today the move waited for NY Open.
Facts. I figured that, especially after a big move in London.
Yeah.
Copy image. Boom. Playbook, that was a celery play. Celery getting some love here this week. And that's it, man. That's it. So whatever we do from here, we do. We should continue the volume, though. I'll tell you that. The 4-hour candle here. Remember yesterday we were trying to get this move up too, for this 4-hour candle to have a top wick. So now it's finally coming here. Finally on the way. I think I forgot to mark up London trade. Hold on one sec. Yeah, so this was a breakout. So the breakout's getting some more action. Breakout. Bam. Perfect. So yeah, looking at the playbook here, man. So far so good. So far so good. Look, 8 celeries, dude, in the last, I would say, really like 2 weeks. So ever since Trump's been back in office, celeries have been back. Not too many fades though here yet. Only 2 fade positions. Been a lot of buys and sells off support and resistance and inverted celeries, really.
Make New York session great again.
I had one really tough day for the most part this month. Other than that, I'm gonna do a big like monthly video of like a monthly review and try and go through most of the trades over here. These are pretty much the trades. So try and go through. I don't have pictures for all of them, but I have for most of them. So I'll try and do a big video on it, explaining the playbook, explaining like the surrounding conditions around some of the trades, and try and make it educational. Let's go. There we go. So yeah, we'll see if we go any further here. You guys are so calm. That's because we got Rafi. We're meditating.
Not the first
Dude, you see that?
We're lit. Wow, you see that rejection? Yeah, you got to remain calm, man. You got to remain calm.
Yep. That's why I gotta close.
So like, the big thing is like, if you jump up and down and get all excited about winning trades, that kind of tells me like you got caught by surprise that you won that trade, like as if you're like surprised about it, you know, like, or as if like that never happened. So once you do, it's like, yeah, like jump up and down, you know. So like a lot of the successful traders I know are very stoic in their approach, and you know that goes for the losing trades too, you know what I mean. So like if you would have popped on here, you wouldn't have really known whether or not I've taken a win or a loss based off of my attitude, you know what I mean? So, or reaction and things like that. So you got to be very stoic in your wins and in your losses when it comes to this type of game, because at the end of the day, I didn't do anything special here outside of execute on edge. You know, the playbook really won that for me. So the playbook made me look good here today. That's all.
Yep.
That's all.
Yeah. And it's just another trade, right? This is what we do. We're traders, so just another trade won't be our first, last. No, right? It's just another trade. Yeah. Yeah, if you get too high on the wins, you'll get too low on the losses. And if you're getting high on the wins, that's a sign that, hey, yo, you could be trading with some emotions, right? Or you could be bringing your emotions to the charts, which is not what we want to do, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true. You have convinced me to join. Oh, yay, let's go. You don't have a video course, right? I do. It's being uploaded in the clubhouse probably sometime over the next like 2 weeks or so. The best way to study my concepts would be the live streams. It would also be the Playbook 2.0 video on YouTube, and then of course the clubhouse. You know what I mean? That's where I'm at. You know, that's where I'm at all the time. That's where all of my webinars are posted at, which are extremely valuable webinars. So that's probably the next step. But if you're new, just watch us here for a little bit. You know what I mean? Don't join the clubhouse yet. Just chill. See if you even like how we trade. See if you can even be consistent, right, with this style of trading. And then if you want to take it to the next level, come join the clubhouse. Yo, what up, Shetty? Shetty, I see you. Carolina 3.0. 3.0 coming soon. Yeah, we do have a couple. We have a couple updates for sure. So I'm thinking that maybe we let this Q1 pass by, and then we'll put on another webinar, because there's a lot of things that are getting upgraded, but I'm also still tracking and sample sizing and collecting data on. So I don't want to do the webinar too quick. I know a lot of you guys are asking for another webinar, but I say we hold off at least another like month and a half. Let me continue to collect my data and do my thing, and then, you know, I think we have a nice solid webinar with some new information from a technical aspect. Yeah, so this is why we love TP1. This is why we love TP1.
That's why we secure profits.
It's the reason I always secure profits is because like it's scary how often we're right about where price is going to reject. So I like closing either full or 80% at that area.
Same, dude. You got to pay yourself along the way, right? That's why you're here in the first place. Of course, at a logical perspective, right? In terms of reading the charts. But this is why you're here, to get paid, right? I mean, when your trade's successful, that's your opportunity to bag your profits and to pay yourself. Absolutely. And I think you'll do much better as a trader if you focus more on compounding profits versus getting greedy and looking for like a 5R, you know? But just take what the market's willing to give you, pay yourself, compound those profits, and that's pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, as long as you wouldn't break even, it's fine, you know, like as long as you do something, as long as you understand, even if you don't do anything like in terms of partials or break even, as long as you know why price rejected there, that's it. Then that's on you to do whatever you would like management wise, right? But the key is why did it do it there and not, why did it do it right at our line and not here or here or here, right? That's the main question you want to know. And once you know that, you know, it is what it is. If you don't want to close there, don't close, but at least now you know, hey, that's where we could run into an issue.
Yep.
Some turbulence, I like to call it, some turbulence.
Yeah, that's what taught me. Yo, John, start taking profits, brother. You know, it was me getting caught with the bag, you know, getting caught holding the bag. So, yeah, sometimes you just got to go through it, right? Experience, absolutely.
Yeah, John was on that RR flow, and I'm over here closing profits every day.
Yep.
And he's in the same trades, getting more pips, but then eventually not hitting that optimistic TP. You know what I mean? Like, so I'm a big believer in base hits all day. I have it right here.
I am too.
Yep. I have it right here. Base hits win ball games. It's one of my favorite.
Base hits and doubles, bro. Yeah.
And then home runs come eventually. You know, they come along the way.
Yeah, because you will get those trades where the charts are going to give you a 2R, 3R in a logical perspective in terms of candlesticks. So it's just being patient and letting those come naturally. And then, like Nick says, taking your base hits, your doubles, and winning the day.
Yeah. What chart is this? This is GCG25, which is basically XAUUSD gold, only on the futures market. So if you're going to talk about closing 80% on 5 contracts, so the way you close here is you have to close per contract, right? So I would say if you wanted to close 80% of 5, I don't know if this is the exact math, but I would just close 4 contracts there and just leave one open, you know, leave one to run. The only other way to do that is to go down to like the, what is it called? The mini chart? Micro?
The micro.
The micro chart, and then break it down that way. Wanted seconds there, but yeah, I feel you. C. Melly in the house. What up, brother? How are you, my man?
What's up, C. Melly?
Yo, C. Melly. Been a while, brother.
C. Melly.
C. Melly, the man. It's good.
Yeah, if it was 930 volume, we would, yeah. So like, and that's the other thing, and that's why tracking your data is so important, because maybe at certain times you notice your trades run more than others, right? Like I noticed that typically at 930, my trade is going to run more than it would at 7:30 or 8 a.m. or whatever. So during that time at 9:30, if price is looking really good and we're pushing up here, I might leave it. You know, I might not close at that point. I might just go break even, right? And then do that and then let the trade run, because probability states more times than not at 9:30 I'm typically getting the runner. So, you know, you just got to base your trading off your data. But look, if you're not journaling, you got no data. You're just expecting the money to just show up.
Literally.
Right? It's no wonder you can't develop a probability mindset. You don't have probability.
And you have no confidence.
Right? What does tracking your trades give you? Data. What does the data give you? Probability and confidence. What does probability and confidence give you? Successful results and a probability mindset. But if you don't have the data to begin with, then when I talk about probability mindset, it goes in one ear and out the other. Right? So that's why tracking your trades, believe it or not, is one of the most important things you can do. It certainly was extremely important for me. It certainly was extremely important for some of like the elite members. And I think if you're struggling at break even or even kind of not profitable yet, and you're not tracking your trades, I'm telling you, I'm trying to help y'all unlock the gem. I'm trying to help y'all unlock that door to that next level in your trading. You already know, C. Melly. You already know. Yeah. How you doing, brother? Locked myself out. Nice. Very nice. Very nice.
W. Yeah, I'm done for the day too.
Am I in the trade? I already closed the trade. Closed it right here. Right at that gray line. Gotta trust that data. Otherwise, if you're not trading data, what are you trading? Well, this looks good. Seems like it'll go down. What up, Gio? Grind time in the house. What up, grind time? Mr. Mufasa. Yeah, you know, I'm not talking about any of you guys here, though. You know, I know all of y'all track your trades. You know, we're talking about the other traders. You know, all the other traders out there that don't track their trades. Yeah. Go back to gold? We're in gold. We in there. Oh, I do well trading in the NAS either. Okay. Dude, so I either do well or get skinned alive. These markets don't play, man. That's what I'm saying. If your strategy is, hey, it looks good to go up, I'm gonna take a buy, or it looks good to go down, I'm gonna take a sell, like, you are done. You're gonna get what he said, skinned alive. Just give it time. Doing good, brother. Doing good, man.
Yeah, let's go, C. Melly. Yeah, man, staying consistent with that, of course.
My man, C. Melly.
Facts, bro. Looking like Ecom Dre before I know it.
Sheesh. Yo, shout out to Ecom Dre. We were talking about Ecom Dre in, what was that, Asian? London? Yo, Ecom Dre, if you're listening, we miss you, brother. We miss you.
Miss you, bro.
We miss you, bro. Yeah, watching streams are, yeah, it helps. It definitely helps. It gives you like a little bit of, I think they call it tradertainment too. Because otherwise trading could be extremely boring. Like, very boring. And like, I remember for me, like, one of the biggest things that it helped me with is I would be like any new trader, like a degenerate, looking for trades all the time. And I'd be watching like Raja's stream. And I'm over here, I'm sweating. I'm taking my jacket off, my coat off. I'm like in these markets for real. And he's just sitting there chilling. Like, and I'm thinking, what the hell am I doing? Like, why am I going crazy over here looking for a trade when this dude who has 5 more years experience than I do is just sitting there waiting for a specific thing to happen? I'm over here driving myself crazy looking for trades. And at that point, that's when his stream really began to help me. And I started to really realize, like, all right, there's something else to this trading thing. It's not just about taking a bunch of trades and trying to end green. Like, there's something more to it. And there is, you know, and it's just having a playbook and waiting for it. And just because you show up to the market doesn't mean the market has to give you what you're waiting for. And that's the problem, is that time weighs on the trader. And a lot of times if you're sitting there all alone and you're waiting and waiting, the time's going to weigh on you. And, you know, you're going to be a bit deceived and most likely break a rule or get into something without maybe all the boxes checked. So it is helpful.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3 lockout. There you go. Yeah, we have this saying in the clubhouse, like if you're green, and I mean like nicely green on the day, 3, 2, 1 lockout. You know, don't give the profits back.
Yeah, that's a major rule of mine. If I start the day green, I cannot finish that day red. That should be a hard rule for everyone.
Yeah. I hate going from green to red. I hate going from green to red.
Now that right there will mess with your psyche. If you let it.
Why my trading view chart GC isn't the same as that? Let me take a look. Let me look at my trading view. This should be GCG 2025, right? GCG 2025. Yeah, I mean mine looks very similar. Yeah, make sure it's February, you know, it says like that and all that. News in 6 minutes. We got more news. What up, Arrow? Arrow Sassy. Yeah, so I passed another 50K combine today, so I'll have that XFA tomorrow. I also have about $2,000 in which I could probably take from Top Step right now. I may do that. I don't know. I might just unload both of these 150Ks and just kind of like dump them and start over again. Because now I'm realizing like I could pretty much pass combines at ease in like 2 or 3 trades, maybe 4 trades. So while the money's there, I got about 4,000 in these. So I might just take it all, you know, half now and then the second half later and just drain those 2 accounts. Yeah, and then I got more XFAs coming behind them, you know what I mean? So it's like, it's whatever, I guess. How often do I switch charts? I usually don't. I usually just trade on this chart right here. How do you lock out? You lock out up here. So you see this next to like all this? It says manual lockout. So you click that and then you can just custom or lock out all day or whatever. And by the way, that it's like, I wouldn't say I need to hit this to stop trading for the day, but this is really valuable, especially if you're trading multiple accounts on Top Step or anything. Using the lockout feature will help you, because there was one time where I was like already like locked out of this account, doing well on it for the day, and then I thought I was opening a trade on another account, and luckily I was locked out, so it wouldn't let me activate the trade. But if I wasn't, I probably would have gotten to another trade, and you know, I didn't want to get into another trade on that account, you know what I mean? So if you have multiple accounts, it's good to have the lockout feature just to save you from maybe a mistake by having the wrong account open, you know what I mean?
That's true.
This account here, 2,000. So 2,000. It's on a copy trader, so $4,000. Yeah. So this is the only one I'm qualified for a payout right now with. So I'll probably just take the money and run. Yeah, and just start new accounts. I have other XFAs. I just got another XFA today, so I'm just gonna keep XFAs in the pipeline and just try and run those accounts up, milk them, and toss them. Take the moolah and run.
Yeah,
That's right.
I like paying yourself, bro. Definitely.
Yeah. The rules. What are the rules to get payment after you pass the combine? You need you need to make X amount. Yeah, so you need to make 5 days of $200 plus. So they don't have to be like 5 in a row or 5 consecutive. They just have to be 5 of 200 plus. Yeah, like this account, they weren't consecutive at all. They were all spread out here. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are my 5. So I can take 2,000 from both accounts, or 17 from both accounts. But I can only take half on my initial payment, so I would have to wait till the second one to get the other one. The trade we took now on stream, was that an onion? No, I would consider that like more of like a celery. So like you're looking at this pattern here, this whole like break of the high here. So yeah, I would say more like a celery play. If an onion would be like more so down here, taking this buy.
Yeah, this is.
But notice how we haven't done much right here. We just stopped, literally. What's the reasoning behind making the new accounts and just not trading on one account? Well, that's what they want you to do, right? So if they want you to do that, then there's something in their favor, right? Which we all know most people can't hold accounts. So in this business, when the money's there, it's very smart to take it. Didn't need support for the celery? Not in this case, because we had news coming out. You're already ripping out of this like range. You know, you were in that clean range to the left here. So you're already ripping out. So plus the news coming in. So didn't really need a support there. Now if I'm looking for a buy, definitely need support. Like definitely need a pullback now. Some sort of a new support and then maybe buys in here.
Absolutely. Don't want to buy now. Buy at the top of the move.
Buy now.
A lot of people make that mistake, you know, so you should note that, you know, you don't want to buy at the top when we're overextended. More so wait for the retracement and then get in at the bottom of where you're looking to buy.
Yeah, because now you've pushed off that support almost 100 pips, so.
Yeah.
YOLO Trader. Good to see you, my man. Happy Tuesday.
What's up, YOLO Trader? How you doing, man?
YOLO. Hero, man. He just cracks me up.
Nick, it's another freaking gorgeous day out here in Florida.
Perfect.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this phone call, guys. I'm gonna
Do it,
mute
brother.
myself.
Do it.
All right, bet.
Little date lunch with Anna today. Nice steakhouse. Little some, you know? You know what I
Nice
mean,
little
Louis
lunch
G?
date. Like it.
I might have to take the Top Step payout and just splurge it on Anna.
Split it away. Just take her on a
No, I didn't say
shopping spree, bro.
split it. I said splurge it.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
We don't split, man. We don't split things with.
I know. That's what I thought I heard.
Gentlemen, y'all tired of splitting the bill with wifey or what? Come on.
Honestly,
I'm
I
not
can't
calling
even
you
do
out. I'm calling you up, G. Come on. We got to raise our standard, right, to another level here. We got to do it.
That would feel wrong, honestly, like not paying for my girl.
Yeah,
Like, that would feel weird.
oh man, I almost called him Forex Frank. Yo, my bad. Yeah, that was originally my idea, was to stack the two 150s and just get it over 10K and, you know, pull off whatever's on the top. So I don't know. I'm still debating. I think there's no right or wrong. You know, both of it makes sense. Because it would be nice to have two 150s now over 10K in profit and then just taking everything, whatever's on the top. But, that sounds easier said than done, right? So it can be done for sure. But I don't know. I'm still thinking about it.
It all depends what your goal is, right?
Yeah.
Everyone's different. Everyone's got a different way about going things.
Yeah. I like the idea, though, too. Like, I wanted to keep my 150s for that specific reason, to, like, build on that throughout the year, and then just have the 50Ks as, like, the recycled accounts. So, I don't know.
I think that's your answer then, honestly.
I'm still debating.
Get that payout on the 50K then. But, yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, absolutely. Trading, I mean, I think I could still trade. The thing was, once I became profitable trading by myself, I was never fulfilled. So I came from like a network marketing background where like people have really poured into me and helped me change my life. And I always loved that idea of giving that back to people and serving people, and always did that, So, but what happened was at a certain point, I stopped it all. And I just kind of went into this alone time with God for like a year and a half to really try and figure out my next move and direction. And I got into trading, but even though I was making money, there was no sense of like fulfillment there. Like there was no impact. There was no teaching. Like, I don't know. It was boring. It was boring. It was unfulfilling, I would say, to me. Right. So that's where like the teaching came back in, and it first started just free on YouTube, and then it turned into a whole bunch of other stuff, So, but yeah, I love teaching. Teaching's like one of my favorite things to do, and not just trading. I've covered a variety of different areas and all that stuff. So,
yeah, there's no better feeling than it is to help others, right? Like the feeling you get of just helping others, there's no better feeling over that. Absolutely.
Yeah. Just get that money, bro. That's it. Yeah. So, yeah, I'll keep you updated on that, futures, Frank. But my original idea was to stick with the 150s and keep them. So we'll see. Yo, what's up, Shelter? What's Gucci?
Good Shelter.
Yeah, the trade in London, we didn't have the greatest breakout, but I think with experience kind of helped out a lot in that trade too. Let me pull that trade up over here because I think I have it popped up.
Yeah, because you got that support to the left.
Yeah. I was waiting for someone to ask that question, actually. So you did have that support to the left, right? This guy right here. The idea of this trade, though, was that look at all the rejections to the top side at this point, right? So you got a lot of rejection here. You're creating resistance. The 1 hour is the 4 hour is really failing to continue up, right? And then the previous candle throws this wick right here, right? Which breaks the previous candle's highs. So a lot of times that right there could be a sense of liquidity in itself, where buyers are starting to get excited. They're starting to get activated. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, I think it was the 15, it was a really strong bullish candle, kind of like this one. So that gets buyers very excited, right? But we decided to follow the higher time frame and wait. And once we've seen this, we get the closure. You got like London open, and then like 15 minutes after London open, that's when we get activated. So basically just banking on the fact that we came up, broke the highs, closed strong bearish, you know what I mean? And then, have that range to fill there. So yeah, another like sniper exit too on that trade. Like I think price just pulled back from there at that point. So if you're newer, and you're new to the system, then I don't think you should be in this trade. I think you should wait for a closure below there and maybe you would sit that trade out. But experience, intuition, you know, direction, all that stuff kind of helps out a little bit too. Let's see. First 10K you can make 100%. Correct. He said, I want that 10K.
Yeah, it's a pretty dope rule. I like that.
Yeah, not bad. AB Mike has arrived.
Split. Really good.
My guy. Yeah, 90% is money. I remember, I think it was like the funded trader who started that 90%.
No,
remember
bro,
that?
they were like 75%, 80% profit split.
Oh, no way. I thought they were 90.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure they were 80, to be honest.
MFA. Oh, no. You know what? The funded trader, it depended on when you bought it. Depending on when you bought it, they had these deals. Like, if you bought it between, you know, this day and that day, you get 90%. I don't know how they manage that. Oh, actually, they probably didn't manage that. That's difficult. That's difficult to manage.
Right? Yeah, because they were all about them deals and promo codes, everything like that.
Yeah. I use TradeZella, Chandler. Yeah, if you guys want, you can get TradeZella. I have a link for it. Save you like, I think 15%. But I like TradeZella. I started using it mainly this year, and it's nice. It's nice. Tracks pretty much all your data. Everything tracks all your trades over here. You can view all your trades, your days. Gives you other lot of cool stats. There's a lot here that you can like unlock too, meaning like your success, like days in a row, like how many winning days you had in a row. I think it's pretty cool. You can see what your stats are on buys versus sells, and it's pretty nice. Yeah, if you type TTE24, that'll give you I think like 15% off maybe. Yeah, TradeZella is nice. Very nice. I used to just use a straight up journal though, and that's just as good, to be honest. I mean, maybe it doesn't look as like aesthetically pleasing, but I mean, this is what I used for a long time right here. Let me show you guys. This one right here. So I would just mark my trades, what time I took it, the date, the pair, you know, buy or sell, and then just the trade result, trade entry, like what setup was it and all that. So yeah, and this one worked, man. This one was good. Yeah, this is, so I see how I did it. I was like by years. Still what?
So and you can still like put what you made, you know, what you lost, like, because I know the thing with TradeZella, a lot of people love the calendar and like it's stuff like that. But yeah, you can put that in that spreadsheet too. Yeah, and you could still like clip your pictures and all that as well. So there's a spot for you. So if you guys want this journal, all you gotta do is say !journal, and then you can get this one. It's for free. It's a good journal too. Holy, yeah, see, basically all my trades are exactly the same. What time is it? 9:13. 9:13. Old school, yeah, that's right. Yeah, I used that journal for 3 years. 3 years. Yeah, this 4 hours is just a beauty. So you see how we let the 4 hour guide us here during this session? So we didn't really pay much mind to like the daily,
but we settled in on the 4 hour because remember the daily was extremely confusing, right? So if you just base your analysis today off the daily, you don't know what to do, right? You don't know if you're going to sell because like you're below here but you're not below there. So is it going to be a buy, right? So when things are confusing on one time frame, go try and get your information from another time frame. Like this is tough. This is almost like we're in a range here. We don't know if we should sell it, right? Because we closed right here, but we also don't want to buy because we're strong bearish, right? So now you have to go down to like the 4 hour candle to guide you and direct you for the next 3 to 4 hours of your session, right? So when we went down to the 4 hour, we noticed that the 4 hour was bullish, right? And we closed, notice the candles here, right? So you have large red candles moving down, right? And then you have a support formed, but just hesitation, weak candles. And then what shows up now? A strong candle after breaking lows. Like these are all little things that you would want to pay attention to, right? To get all the clues necessary to plan out your trade. So little things like this candle breaking lows, closing strong, right? That's an indicator that, okay, maybe we'll let this next 4 hour candle guide us, right? It makes a lower wick. It starts breaking the highs, right? That's where we begin to look for bullish entries. So yeah, today we did that. Today we let the 4 hour guide us into that trade. 1 hour looked really good outside of closing below the range. 30-minute unfortunately didn't give us the closure we wanted here, but we got the closure here, you know, and we had a little 15-minute celery pattern there to take advantage of, keep tight stops, and, you know, keep it, run it up to fill the range. So we didn't have much range left, right? We only had about 30 or 20 pips, right? But we'll take it. Stop loss was only 13 pips. Yeah, so 13 for like 18. Beautiful. I got a little over a 1 hour. But surprisingly, I have been getting closer and closer to 2R, believe it or not. Yeah. Took 44 pips. W. Hey, that's on your XFA too, right? Money.
W, let's go.
Almost 2R. Almost 2.
Who caught that?
Which one?
Who caught the 44 pips?
Oh, Ronnie.
Hey, let's go, Ronnie.
You said my FX is showing. My Forex accent is coming out here.
Yeah, bro, it's not pips, it's ticks.
Ticks.
It's not point lot, it's 1 micro.
Yeah, so I am getting closer to 2R here, man. 1.8. So we're on our way. Gotta tighten up a little bit. 93% daily win rate though. So that goes back to being green and staying green, right? That's one thing I do tremendously well is if I'm green on the day, I'm staying green. You know, I am not going to red. So even if I'm in profits, I'm only risking like half those profits at this point.
Yeah, never turn a winning day into a losing day. That should be a hard rule.
For real.
I love it, Nick.
I'm not sure what this Zell score is. Does anyone else know what that is? I think it's like an accumulative of a few things. And then, yeah, this is my time, the trades I'm in. So longest trade was a loser. And it was 22 minutes, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, see, most of my trades take around the same time. 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes.
Quick scalps, right? That's good to see as a scalper.
That's right. Thanks for the scam. You're more than welcome. We try and put as much money in your pockets as possible here over at this scam channel. It will always be pips. Yo. Those are fighting words.
That's true.
We will never call it ticks. I remember when I first started trading futures, I was all bougie talking about ticks and stuff. Like, shut up. Shut up.
Right.
I'm like, yeah, you know, I'm gonna count these ticks now, and we're going short and long. And stop saying buy and sell. Like, who do you think you are, man? Chill.
We got mad classy, bro, in the future market.
Got all classy. Started drinking my cup with my pinky up and all that. Yeah, I'm a futures trader, honey. How about you? Oh, man. Catching pips and taking trips. I like it. I like it. So you got 9:30 here. 15-minute is really not showing any signs of slowing up. So there's no like fade. There's no inverted celery. There's nothing really for me to take advantage of any sort of like short position here. So that is out of the picture for me at this point.
Yeah, I just see price trending up currently.
Yeah. Snipe the sell out of it. Most mine on NAS are 30 seconds. Wow, dude, that's cool. Send me I want to see a screenshot of that, bro. Send that over. 30 seconds. Not gonna lie, I've taken about 3 trades in Power Hour that have lasted like less than 30 seconds, dude. So I know what you mean. Where do you go to like? Can you find like the trades on gold, the trades on NQ, the trade? You know, like, can you filter it by? Name? Yo, Power Hour is no joke. If you're gonna trade NASDAQ from 3 to 4 p.m., get ready. I highly recommend you go to the 1 minute.
Yeah, maybe we should make a session out of that.
Holy. Not gonna lie, the playbook be showing up on the 1 minute during Power Hour, and it gets busy. It gets busy. If we go to like my NASDAQ trades, because those are the ones at Power Hour. Let's see. Let me show you guys. Look at this. Just money. Just a perfect closure below. This is during Power Hour here. Just straight filled the range in a matter of like seconds. Seconds, literally. Where'd that go? Trades. I'm trying to find that one. Remember that one, John?
Oh yeah.
This thing was nuts.
Yeah, try to find that, bro.
Yo, this was a 1 minute trade.
That thing hit TP in less than 10 seconds. Crazy.
Hold on. I think it was like less than like 5 seconds.
Right? Definitely less than 10.
The issue is I don't know which trade that was. Yeah, that's another one though. Another beauty in like literally seconds.
Yep.
Oh, I think it might have been. No, this is the one we just looked at, right? Yeah, this one was money too. Break of the high off the celery, just pushed all the way up there. Yeah, I've been testing out the Power Hour stuff a little bit. It's actually pretty exciting, not gonna lie. Cause you gotta wait. You gotta wait, and then like you get a new candle every 1 minute. So like you're like, not on this candle, not on this candle. You wait for the next one.
That is crazy.
And then you wait for the next one. It's like, alright, this is the one. Playbook position. Wild. It has left it. What's Power Hour? Power Hour is from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern. It's basically when NAS goes crazy.
Who trades power hour here? Sebastian.
I do. No, I'm just kidding.
Sebastian, the 3-minute chart. Okay. Damn.
Yo, here it is. Here it is. Bro, this trade was insane. This is a 1 minute candle. This is 75 pips. Right there. Boom. So I wanted to take that sell, but no top wick. Drove right down in literally, obviously less than a minute, right? Waited. See, we started slowing up. Nice, strong engulfing candle. Buys right here. Boom. This thing went straight to TP. Without I couldn't even look. John was standing right here. I couldn't even look at John and be like, oh, before this thing shot up and hit TP. It was wild. It was wild.
Bro, literally less than 5 seconds. Yep.
You know the trade. You know the type of trade I'm talking about, guys. One of those.
The crazy thing is, too, we were in the hallway outside the room, and Nick's like, yo, come here, man. I'm about to make a quick 500 real quick to get over this 200 a day, whatever you got to do. And, yeah, man made it look easy.
I was like, let me show you what I've been working on in Power Hour. He was laughing at me like, 1 minute? What? 1 minute?
You're like, I'm going to scalp the 1 minute to try and make a couple hundred.
Bing. Come to Italy? I would love to come to Italy, probably 2025. I want to make a trip out there. I don't know where exactly, but need to make a trip this year. Which session am I most profitable? I haven't looked at those numbers yet, but I'm assuming it's the London session. Been really hitting in London. Been hitting hard in London. Yeah, I think most days we come here and I'm typically already green. There's a good song, and in the song it goes, I got the bag, I'm back to just double it. So basically I'm just back to just double the bag and, you know, see what else we could find during the day. But London's been treating me really nice.
Seems like you guys get a trade every day in London.
Pretty much. Outside of yesterday, I think that was the first day we didn't get a trade. I don't know. Is that right, Magnus? I'm not too sure. Maybe there was 1 or 2 other no trade days.
I think the boys took a trade anyways, though, in London. I just don't think it was on the stream.
Yeah. There might have been 1 or 2 after. Chucked it in Zoom. Oh, wow. That's crazy. I'm looking at it now. and the live stream, yeah, I did post some new videos, gang. If you go to the YouTube channel, you'll see a couple new videos. There's like a 2-week evaluation I think will be helpful. Couple different trade reviews. I'll keep the trade reviews coming. They're a little bit better this time than like what I was doing last time. It's a little hard to see there. So these will probably be much better, much more easy to understand. But yeah, those videos are out for you guys to just pick up on the trades and ask any questions here or in the comment section. Yeah, I'll keep the trades coming. I'll do a big monthly review as well. I'll also do a payout process video with top steps. So that way, I know a lot of you guys are about to get payouts, so at least you have a nice video to see how the process is done. All right, I'm going to stick around for 9:30, and then I think my time is done here. So we'll see how 9:30 goes. If this candle closes without a wick or not, I'm not too sure. Trade the 1 minute every day? God bless you, bro. We should hang out more. Luke, holla at me, bro. We should hang out. I like the 1 minute. All the traders that think I should move to the 5 minute, that just like low-key watch the stream, they're probably like, the 1 minute? The 1 minute? He skipped the 5 minute. We got a lot of 5 minute lovers. Which I like the 5 minute, man. I like the 5 minutes. Just I haven't been able to collect data on it. I skipped, man. I got a little more some. I got a better time frame for y'all. 1 minute.
Got something better in store.
1 minute. We're cooking. Do I use Rise? I'm gonna use probably ACH. I don't know. I'm not too sure which one. I got to see what their. I think their options are Rise or Wise, right? And ACH.
Yeah, I think ACH because I know you can do like some sort of bank wire.
Yeah, sure. This will be my first payout with Top Step, so I haven't done the process yet. But I have used Rise in other occasions, so they're pretty good. Young Chris is locked out. Let's go. Bada bing, bada boom. Break even or go crazy on the combine? Ugh. You already know what I'm going to say. All in, bro. All in. Depends. You got another $50? So if price does push down, I mean the next best look here is going to be some like let's say you get that and then you get a bullish closure like with no top wick or something. If I am going to take sells, it'd have to be after like something like that. And then I'll probably sell back down into that zone. But sells right here are way too dangerous. You playing with fire. Am I promoting Top Step? Not really. It's just the one that I'm using, so I don't even have like any like affiliation with them at all. I just think they're a decent platform. ACH, yeah, it could take a couple days. Yep. Yeah. Wokey, I think that's in settings, I believe. I think it's under privacy. Little 2 minute? Wait, you're not lying. I think I've heard you say that before. 2 minute time frame. Yeah, managing on 2 minute, right? Yeah, I promise you, gang, don't try and call the top here, right? Gold could literally just run. So you have to wait for obvious, you know, like you gotta wait for a criteria, right? In order to get back into a trade here. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'll probably use Wise then. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. I want it and I want it now. All right, I think my job is done here today. Good session. Nice buys. Took sells, buys, everything here today. So nice green day. I'll probably leave it at that unless there's like nice, really nice opportunity over the next hour and a half or so. But job well done, gang. Way to take your base hits, you know, this week and last week and just move on with it. You know, you don't have to sit in the markets all day and, you know, try and look for trades. Like if you have a little red day, that's cool. If you have a nice little green day, that's cool. You know, just keep it moving and take the lessons that the day brings from these incredible markets here. I'm gonna holla at y'all. Johnny Gems, appreciate you as always.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. We will be back tomorrow for FOMC. Tomorrow going to be the big day. So the fireworks shall begin tomorrow, and we should have a lot of volume. A lot of volume. We might be running up here to run right back down tomorrow. I would love to see this daily candle close bullish, and then the next candle, which is tomorrow's candle, just absolutely melt. So we'll see. We'll see. But for now, it's up, my friends. I hope you all have a great day. Blessings to you all, and we will see you tomorrow. Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Peace, brother.
Later,
Peace,
Johnny Gems. Chat.
Later. God bless you all.
Love y'all. Later, G's. Peace. Later.
I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spent in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work, yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up, yeah. This all God, this ain't no love. Stuck in that mud, yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm
down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and the mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business, now who I worship. Who the little guy making big, big, big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick, 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff. Probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where
I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up.
He is on my side. Jesus, he walks with me.
Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be bustin', where they enjoy life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? One more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big thorn where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve Yeshua, even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. To the day we see them, this feel like the moment we seeking. The day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. Let's go. We walk.
Lord, I ask for your grace over my life as I repent of my sins. I'm asking you to place your anointing over these lyrics and not only fill me with your spirit, but with all the words to carry out this message. And more importantly, give me the energy. Amen. Blaze do my beats. Yeah. Look. He gave me the energy, cause the enemy had me so lazy. The moment that I hit a beat drop, it's like the Holy Spirit go crazy. Even through all of my lies, depression and anger, he still had came through and he saved me. All he want me to do is just talk about it. Since I'm living, he already paid me crazy. I was too focused on what didn't matter, yet he was still with me the whole time. Untied, every soul tie when I repented, he made the soul rise. No more lies, ain't no more cries. Now that I'm alive, I know what's on the line. Used to hope to die because I know that I had made the same mistakes about 40 times. I'm forgiven, and it's written, yeah. So I don't even know what I'm worried about. The enemy try to discourage my mouth. The spirit within me keeps blurting it out, and I know that God gon' keep working it out. When I start overthinking, it furthers the doubt. It confuses me about what I'm learning about. It's lessons, gotta get through it to get to the blessings. I'm done with the guessing, delivered from stressing. Even obedient when I'm under pressure is getting too easy when I'm getting tested. The devil was using me, making a fool of me. God, you've been patient with me, you've been true to me. Need you to guide me, cause all this is new to me. Help me get over the person I used to be. And I finally listened, and the Lord is a witness. So let me get out of my feelings, cause now I'm forgiven. And he broke down all the layers. Now I'm elevating up the stairs. I know that he heard all my prayers, cause I am forgiven. I stopped following all of the trends. Then he started replacing my friends. Now I don't even remember my sins, cause I am forgiven. That's why it's so easy for me to be open. I gotta put them on notice, cause I don't even think they notice that I am. Every time I feel like I come up with a plan, the devil be plotting his motive too. Discussing with God on my weaknesses, but I just hate that the enemy know him too. I am not like all these other artists who be selling their music with no truth. Not just telling you about what I came from, but I be telling you about what I'm going through. I've been reading my Bible for clarity, I just been seeking some answers, I'm searching. Watching my parents divorce after 20 years, you can't tell me the devil not working, man, that really hurt me. I am affected by these generational curses. I guess that's a regular thing, but I'm not a regular